In this tutorial I will show you how to make this poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the picture. Click on Place. Adjust the image. Go to Type tool and type U text. Follow these process. Select the image layer and make a copy of it. Drag to top layer. Hide this image. Right-click, create a clipping mask. Unhide this image. Go to Layer Style and choose this stroke. Follow these settings. Select the drop shadow. Follow these settings. Press OK. Select the image layer. Alt press add a mask. Select the brush tool. Follow the process. Select the brush tool. Foreground color is black. Follow the process. That's it, hope you like it. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.